Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm showing you a quick and easy way of preparing a chocolate cake. So let's get started. In a medium sized bowl, I'm taking 1 cup of wheat flour, to that I'm adding half a cup of sugar. I'm taking brown sugar here, you can take any sugar. Half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a tablespoon of baking soda. I've taken half a cup of melted butter and 1/4 cup of milk. We will keep adding milk as and when needed. 1½ teaspoon of cocoa powder. Mix the mixture well. Try not to have lumps. If the mixture seems tight, you can keep adding milk in small amounts and keep mixing until you get a very fine and smooth batter. Once the batter is mixed thoroughly, it should look something like this, a smooth paste. Now we will transfer this mixture into a baking bowl which will be used to microwave. You can apply a coat of butter onto the baking bowl just to make sure the cake doesn't stick onto that. Spread the batter evenly in that container. So in total we'll microwave it for 7 to 8 minutes, but we will keep checking the batter in between just to make sure the cake is not burnt. The cake is ready, guys. So now we transfer the cake into a serving plate. We turn over the bowl onto a plate and gently start hitting the base so that it loosens and transfers onto the plate. Now you can add a hot chocolate sauce on top. I'm using a ready-made chocolate sauce, but you can always go ahead and melt a dark chocolate by adding a little amount of milk. Start spreading the sauce evenly. And now it is ready to eat. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.